Let's talk about Kaspa today. Just a quick updates. I would like to double check the daily and 12 time frame because the global targets, I think, still in play. And I hope we will go by green scenario. So now we just consolidate this level. So we sweep the sell side liquidity. We can delete these levels. The negative scenario, it's a monthly favorable gap, fulfill of June 2023. Now, of course, we can see some seller pressure from the sellers. So I hope we will not going down from current prices down 43%. And I hope we just consolidate it here, go to the weekly favorable gap, retest a little bit over liquidity pool and yearly at 25 open. And this liquidity pool like 13 cents, 13. After that, we need to made updates. So globally, of course, I think the Kaspa got all chances to hit the new all-time high, even if this stock can already perform like crazy because the Kaspa made amazing rally in 2023, 2024. And anyway, this order flow, this one, so from the top of August 2024 to the bottom of November 2025, I hope we will bounce at least to 13-15 cents. So this is my take. Now let's go and double check just local zones with my customer trigger set. So here, sell signal was June 25, take profit, buy, recommendation close position. Now no new signals to sell, it's good. By the way, let's double check on the weekly. Also no signals to sell, of course, at the bottom. We can't say it's the exact bottom, but locally, yes, it can be the good entry if you believe in Kaspa. And of course, you remember the video when I posted here around 20 cents, people laughing, so we will never drop under 10 cents. So here it's a 5. So guys, never say never. Again, this is a buyback signal. So yes, not yesterday, last week, we saw the signal to buy back again. And I would like to double check the EMA. So sooner or later, guys, we will bounce and test. This is a 20 EMA. So this is the first one, trouble area, like 5 cents 84. And after that, move to the next one. It's 57 cents 66. Daily one, we can find, I hope we will bounce higher to 545 and 200 EMA, test weekly gap 6 cents 59. Also take a look at the great example of 3 drives pattern, 1 2 3 drives pattern, but bearish one. So this is absolutely the same picture what we saw it on the weekly time frame uptrend. Now you can track it on the daily time frame locally. So just remember this pattern, it's happening all the time. So I hope it was a bottom. It's not like double bottom or so. No, it's just 1 2 3 drives pattern, bounce, erase all of this downtrend move, local one. So technically we can say yes, it's a break of structure, and I hope we'll go higher. All right, let's hide this one. Let's double check ADC direction. Highly recommend you use the dashboard indicator, just a brand new one indicator, all in one place. So you can adjust the time frame and track all in one on your screen, save the space. Daily time frame, this is in the middle on ADZ, so it's not a bearish, not a bullish. So like conclusion by just basic price action here. Favorable gap, weekly one, and yearly open liquidity. So my take is I hope will not drop to a monthly favorable gap because it's a 40% drop from current prices. And I hope we'll go to 666, 730, and yearly liquidity pool 2025 open. By the way, this is yearly open 2025, 1193 and 1322. This is a neutral on ADZ on a daily. So it's not bearish, not bullish. Direction also neutral. Time to like accumulate in the buy was here 19, 20 December. This one, and signal to buy. Nice one. We can close. Oh, it's a Cody. I would like to double check today the Cody also. Market mood, guys. Locally on a daily. On the daily here was a hopium. Now it's not a trail. No, not yet. Not a trail zone. So it's kind of like this one. So I hope we go higher. Weekly, it's still disbelief. So technically, yes, if you believe in Kaspa, it's a good time for accumulation. Here's a daily time frame, money in. December 13, it was a money inflow at 456, around this area. Now we almost at the same level, but without any money inflow. So kind of strange, here, the money in, almost just a few, not even cents, just a few penny difference, right? And we're at the top. Can be kind of scary for the pullback. So the worst case, if we just consolidate like this one, we're gonna waste the time. 12 time frame, yes, some fixation. That's why we see the small pullback down, just a tiny one. So the best case, of course, if we drop like this one with the money inflow and go higher, and the next, this week, today, the Monday. So this is the best case. Weekly time frame, by the way, yes, it's not a time to sell. All right, nice one. Trade on, I showed you. Take profit, the last one indicator here. What is bad, guys? Say buy line on the Kaspa, it's 310.36, and it's around the monthly favorable gap. For the value, it's 210.50. I will charge the Kaspa only if we drop to the monthly favorable gap, or at least to the buy line. I'm gonna add alert to the buy line. Take profit buy line. Take profit line, it's weekly favorable gap 610.65. Exit line 746. So now we're in the middle. And also here, I hope we'll not drop to retest the buy line, neither, not even on a daily, not even on a 12 time frame. So the buy line on 12 time frame, it's 310.21. Exit line, take profit line 637. So I hope we'll go by green scenario and not erase all of this uptrend. So I'm weighing the targets. Also, I'm gonna add alert to take profit line. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about a Kaspa. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM. You can add any alerts to all of these indicators and track it. It saves a lot of time. And today I got a strong sell signal on a bong, triangle up. So this is just recent alerts what I added in the last videos. Triangle up on TVT, Trust Wallet. So guys, don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.